Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a wine bottle into a glass using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools, including a glass cutter, sandpaper, and safety gloves. Next, ensure your workspace is safe and well ventilated. Finally, thoroughly clean your wine bottle to remove any labels or residue, preparing it for the transformation. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's score the bottle. Begin by marking your desired cut line with a marker or tape. Then, place the glass cutter on this line, applying steady, even pressure. Slowly rotate the bottle, ensuring the cutter creates a single, continuous score line around the entire circumference. Consistency here is crucial for a clean break later on. With the score line complete, it's time to separate the glass using thermal shock. Carefully pour very hot water directly onto the score line for about 30 seconds. Immediately follow this with cold water, repeating the hot and cold cycle several times. The rapid temperature change will cause the glass to cleanly break along your score line. A gentle tap might help if needed. Finally, let's finish your new glass. Carefully sand the cut edge using progressively finer grit sandpaper, starting with a coarser grit and moving to a very fine one, until it's completely smooth and safe to touch. Rinse the glass thoroughly to remove any glass dust. You've now transformed a bottle into a beautiful, functional glass. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.